info panel, given the values for red, green, blue, and alpha. Nothing showing now or currently on the RGB, and with 0 on the A, it means that the last point was with full transparency, of which the background is at the moment. However, when instead pointing the mouse cursor over the white text, it will now show 255 on all, the highest color intensity of the 8 BPC. To the right of the color values, an X and Y value is indicating where the mouse cursor is currently pointing at. So by raising the color depth to say 16 BPC, there's this massive jump up to a maximum of all the way to 32,768 for color intensity, serving as a much broader and more accurate type of color values ranging between 0 to 1 on a normalized scale. Thus, changing this to 32 BPC, we can see that some values go even beyond 1, and we can really view the effect of this whenever throwing on, for example, a glow on top of a layer, to just see this ramp up a lot. So using this info when we're actually in the 32 BPC can give a really good indicator of a pure accuracy of the color codes. At the bottom of the panel, having some direct info on layer's name, got the duration, the plus in, and also the out point. And nice little extra here, whenever we're having 2 keyframes in the timeline and want to see the actual distance between them two, you first want to mark the first one and then hold Option or Alt at the same time while clicking the other one. And now you should be seeing the actual duration or the time span between the keyframes down in the bottom of the panel.